Hello, my name is Yaya and this is Lolita. Today we have pins to unbox. We have 5 and an extra pin that I want to show you guys that I got. Box. Look, it's JJ from Kiki, the delivery service. So today we have 5 boxes. We have this one, the princess cakes, not cupcakes, cakes. We have the show dogs. I got another one to see if we could get this one that I want. We have Marbles cupcakes. And Mickey babies. I'm really excited for those. And the princesses. I found some more. Oh, I was going to show you I got some other ones, but my sister opened and I don't know where she left them. So let's see which one Lolis is interested in. Loli? Do you want to choose? Do you want to choose? Okay, Mulan. And I want Belle for my sister. Let's see which one we get. We have, it's not Cinderella. Rapunzel. Let me put it on the board. There, Rapunzel. So pretty. Look how it shines. Okay. Now we're going to open the show dogs. Last time Lolis picked the Dalmatian one. I do want Dalmatian, Pongo, and Lady. Let's see which one we get. We got Pongo. Pongo. And there he is. Nice. Now we're going to do the marble one. Come on. No? Choose. I'll give you a treat. Do you want a treat? Okay. Well, she chose one of these two, so that's Iron Man and Thorn. I want Iron Man or Black Panther. Let's see which one we get. We have Iron Man. One of my favorite. Let's see which one we get on the second one. Oh! Captain America. Nice. I'll probably get some more to see if I get not Iron Man. Black Panther. Now we're gonna do the Mickey baby ones. Do you want to choose? She picked Donald. Oh, maybe you can see the glare. I want Donald, one of the Mickeys, one of the Minnie Mouse, and Pluto. Let's see what we get. We have Mickey with his bear. Aww, so cute. And the second one, we have Stay. Oh, let me show you on the board. Minnie Mouse. So cute. I love these. I remember when we were little, we will have the Mickey Mouse baby books. That's why I love them. We're going to do the princesses now. Do you want to choose, Lily? Oh, Belle. I think we have Belle already. Let's see what we get. We have Rapunzel. There she is. So pretty. Oh. Okay, 2 more. Oh, Lily's, watch out. Here. Lily. Sit. Oh, and Lily's got a haircut. She's just got a haircut. Totally forgot to mention that. Sit. You're gonna fall. Oop. That won't fly away. We got not Rapunzel. We just said. We just got her. We got Jasmine. There. So pretty. I think that's one of the ones we're missing. Yes. And the last one. We have Tiana. They're so cute. So these are the ones we got. They're so cute. I need to buy more of these so we could get the other ones that we need. And those were the last ones. So, hope you guys like this. And I hope you have a very good day. And see you next time. Bye. Lily's.